What up, YouTube? Back with another one. About to unbox this display right here, you feel me? It's about to get crazy. Honestly, I hope I got the fucking Exodia. I hope I put Exodia. Not like that, but like I got the God cards, you feel me? Like I have the if you think about Exodia, you're gonna put Exodia. Just, what the fuck? That's weird. It's a weird box. Packs come all weird. Check out the. Come on, Lord. Okay. Okay, nothing so far. Oh, fuck. I'm in the blender. I just want a ghost card. Honestly, I'm not even picky. I just want any ghost card. Imagine. My Lord, please. Thank you for everything. I never pulled a ghost, honestly. Like, I remember the homie, shout out Joel. That motherfucker put a ghost. He bought one pack, and that pack was a fucking ghost. My bad. No. I'm fucked. I am absolutely fucked. I wouldn't mind putting Cyber Dragon either. You feel me? Set up the ring. These are hard. No. Never seen these cards. Oh my god. That was one. Still got four more. Should I keep a box? I think I am. This is hard. Honestly, it has to be a ghost card in there. You think they sabotage them? Like, nah. Can't have that mindset. I just want him or her, whoever the fuck he is. Damn. Who are these fucking synchros? No way. No fucking way. Oh my god. You almost had me. Who the fuck? These are all fucking new cards. I don't even know none of these. Honestly. What trade? Oh, Red Eye Zombie. No, this is a lot of Syncos. Damn. Should I save the other ones? No. That motherfucker didn't pull none. He bought like 3 displays. It's gonna be me. My lord, it can't be me. I can't accept that. $70. Damn, you see that major screw? God. Come on, my lord. Oh. Where is it at? Hold up, boy. This is no good. Shit. Fuck. No, I'm bad right now. I need help. There's no way. Imagine I pull that shit. Just imagine. Imagine if I pull that shit. I'm bad. My desk is full. Look at this shit. There's no. What's up with these new cards? Crystal Beast. Oh, I remember this one. I never made this one hollow. So weird ass card. Don't know what to do. Oh, copyright. My bad, YouTube. I'm banned on YouTube right now, so this video is gonna be a little late. Oh my god. What the fuck is this? This spell. Dude. No fucking way, man. I'm gonna go trade all these. Please. Please. Shit. God.